What's up guys? Today I want to show you how to fix. There was a problem signing to your account. This problem appear when try to open YouTube app in your smartphone. This problem caused by wrong setting of the app. Or if you change password of the Google account that you are using in your device. Before proceed to the video, shout out to Milad TV, Rage Yusini, and Boka Muhammad. If you wish to be mentioned in next videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to YouTube app. As you see the problem still running. Don't worry, go back and open your phone setting. Choose apps and notification. Find YouTube app and click on it. Click on app notification. Turn on all notification settings. Go back once and choose storage. Click on it. Start by click clear caches and then clear data. Now go to YouTube, check if the problem fixed. If not working, let's go to the second step. Open setting again and go to the accounts, click on it. Choose your Google account. Then click on account sync and make sure you give permission to all sync and try if fixed. If not, go to the last step, which is to create new Google account and remove the first on from the device. Thanks. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye, see you in next video.